Do it first.
Sing the ABCs, Kennedy.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W,
T, U, V.
X, Y, and Z. Know my ABCs. Next time I'll do them on me.
Yay! Kennedy, how old are you?
2.
2? What's your name? What's your name?
2.
Yeah, you're 2 years old?
2.
What's your name?
Kennedy Joel.
That's
Kennedy Joel what?
Kennedy Joel Middle.
that's right.
How old is Bubba?
Baba.
How old is he?
Baba.
Can you spell Jason? Spell Jason.
Smell my bed, Baba.
How do you spell Bubba?
You know how to spell it.
Jace, how do you spell your name?
K-L-I-S-O-N.
How old are you?
4.
Sing me a song.
Bring my baby home. No! No!
Hey, it's okay. Sing me a song. Come here. Sing me a song. Come here. Sing me a song.
I did. Bring my baby home. My daddy and baby and mommy and mom and daddy. Bring my baby.
Get in here.
Baby, dear. My mommy be so proud.
Come here, Jay.
My mommy, daddy be so proud of me. My baby, I'm bringing my baby.
Can you count? Stand still so I can see you.
Boom, boom,
Count.
boom. Give me 1, 2. Ow!
Count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay. Keep going.
1,
No, 10.
10, 11, 13, 14, 16, 17, 18, 19,
20.
20.
Can you say, how do you say blue in Spanish?
In dos.
No, it's 2. Uno, dos,
Dos, tres, cuatro, cinco, seis.
seis,
¿Ah?
6,
6,
7,
7,
8,
8,
9,
9,
10.
10.
You know how to say blue in Spanish?
Yes.
What, how? Blue,
Blue,
azul.
azul.
You know how to say yellow in Spanish? Amarillo.
Amarillo.
How do you say red?
Huh? Wow.
How do you say brown?
What?
Do you want to say brown?
Yeah.
How? What's your favorite color?
Black.
What's your favorite toy? Show me your favorite toy. Is it in there? Or is it on your couch?
Woody. What is it, Woody? My Woody toy. What's this, Woody?
I don't know. What's this? What's this? What's your favorite toy? What's this?
What?
What is this?
Don't know.
Aircraft carrier?
Aircraft.
Where'd you get it?
Huh?
Who bought it for you?
Me and Mommy. Mommy!
But who sent you the credit card for it?
Uncle Elvis.
Yes, and
Alyssa.
Aunt Lissa?
Yes, Aunt Lissa.
Do you miss them?
Yeah.
Where are they?
At Grandma's house.
They're not at Grandma's house. Where are they?
No, I want to talk about Grandma too.
Oh, you want to talk about Grandma?
Yes.
Okay, where's Grandma?
At her house.
What's she doing?
Making a Christmas tree.
Oh, yeah?
Yes.
Are we going to go see Grandma?
Yes.
Who else do you want to see?
Alyssa.
Your Aunt Lissa?
My Aunt Alyssa. With her orange shirt.
The orange shirt?
Yes. And Papa with a blue shirt.
And Pop-Pop with the blue shirt?
Yes.
Yeah, who else do you want to see? Who else is going to be there?
And Jojo.
Aunt JoJo's going to be there?
Yes.
Who else is going to be there?
Can I bring this and this?
Yeah, you can bring them.
What is this here?
I think it's a part of the aircraft carrier.
All of it
Jace, how old are you?
4.
What's your favorite color?
Blue.
Blue?
Yes.
What's your name?
Jason.
Jason what?
Zachariah Mitchell.
Jason Zachariah Mitchell what?
The first.
You're not the first.
Second.
Who's the first? No, who's the first?
My daddy.
Yes.
I'm first like my daddy.
How do you spell Jason?
Yeah, Y-S-O-S.
Good job. And whose house?
Huh?
Whose house?
Cool cows.
How do you do it? Whose house?
Cool toes. Cool cows. Cool toes. Cool cows. Mom, who don't come to my house?
Oh my goodness, so.
Okay. Me, Grandma, Papa, and Lisa and Papa with a blue shirt, and Grandma with a dress.
Grandma's gonna wear a dress?
Yes.
Who else do you want to see?
And Jojo. Huh? Huh?
Who?
Huh? Who?
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 Who do you miss?
Aunt Jojo.
Aunt JoJo?
Yes.
Who else?
There's a hole in there.
Alright, I love you.
Huh?
Tell everybody you love them. Tell them bye.
What's that?
Do you want to talk some more?
Yes.
Go see what Candy's doing.
What?
Hi, Rue. Hi, Rue. Hi, Daisy. Hey, Kennedy.
Hey,
Kennedy, can you say hi?
what are you doing?
Oh, she kept knocking off my stuff, and I kept trying to pick it back
Say
up.
hi.
Hi. Hi, Kenani.
How old are you?
2.
That's 1. 2. 2 years old?
Years old.
How do you spell your name?
2. What do you have?
K-Y-N-E-D-Y?
Y.
K-Y-N-E-D-Y.
My phone?
Something else.
Candy, what's your favorite color?
Get out of my phone.
Yeah? Say I love you. Bye, everybody.
I love you, Kenani.
Oh, you love Candy? Say bye.
I love you.